My name is Remy Fogelman. I am a junior at CSUF, and I major in theatrical design and production. The process of creating the prosthetic for the beast started by making a life casting of the actor using alginate and then pouring in a mixture of ultracal and water to make a stone mold of his face. After the ultracal hardened, I was able to use monster clay to sculpt out how I wanted the beast's face to look on the actor. Using a water clay, I then created a barrier around the sculpture to make sure that nothing spills out the side when we are pouring the ultracal in. The ultracal is then used to make a stone mold of the sculpture to create a positive and a negative for the foam latex to run through. The stone molds then need to be put into the oven to cure for a couple hours before we do a foam latex run with them. When working with foam latex, the process consists of precise measurements for each component, exact mixing times, temperature of the room and humidity, as well as preheating the oven for it to bake. If any of these factors go wrong, the latex could set up too fast, making it impossible to work with, or sometimes not set up at all, making the batch useless. We've also had pieces deflate in the oven as well as shrivel up, making those pieces useless as well. We then move quickly to get the mixture out of the mixing bowl and into the molds so we can clamp the two stones together before it solidifies. The molds are then placed into an oven set to 160 degrees for 5 hours to bake. The prosthetic is then washed with soap and water, and then the flashing is removed from all of the edges to create a smooth transition for the actor's skin. It takes 7 hours to create one prosthetic piece, and we need about 24 pieces for all the show dates, tech rehearsals, and photo calls. Because of this, I repeated the process and created another stone mold of the beast's face, chin, and teeth, so we are able to work on making 2 prosthetics at a time instead of just one. The design concept for the beast came from researching multiple different animals and seeing how their facial structures moved, as well as animal horns and other beasts from past productions around the world of Beauty and the Beast.